Ever wondered how rubber, a material so integral to our daily lives, is produced? We encounter it everywhere, from the tires that carry us to our destinations, to the pencil erasers that help us perfect our work. Its versatility and ubiquity are truly astounding. But have you ever stopped to ponder how this essential material comes into being? Well, wonder no more. Today we're going to delve into the fascinating process behind its production. Prepare to embark on an enlightening journey into the world of rubber manufacturing. The journey of rubber begins in a rubber tree plantation. Let's embark on a fascinating exploration into the world of rubber production. Picture an expanse of rubber trees. From these trees flows a milky white substance known as latex sap. This sap is the key ingredient in the production of rubber. Now, how do we get this sap? It's through a process called tapping. Workers make a series of careful diagonal cuts into the bark of the rubber tree. This doesn't harm the tree but allows the latex sap to flow out gradually. It's a delicate and precise process, requiring a keen eye and a steady hand. Once the latex begins to flow, it's collected in small buckets. It's a slow process, but patience is rewarded with a bounty of this invaluable sap. This collected latex, filled with potential, is then ready to be sent off for further processing. Once the latex has been collected, it's time to head to the factory. Inside the factory, the latex undergoes a transformative journey. The first stop on this journey is the coagulation process. Here, the latex is treated with acid, a method that causes it to thicken and curdle into a solid mass of rubber, much like how milk turns into cheese. Next, we move on to the rolling process. This is where the rubber is put through heavy rollers to squeeze out any excess water and flatten it into thin sheets. It's a bit like rolling out a pie crust, but on a much larger scale. These sheets of rubber are then sent to a drying area. Here, the heat slowly removes any remaining moisture, leaving behind sheets of pure, dry rubber. Finally, they are carefully packed and prepared for shipping, and voila! The rubber is now ready to be transformed into a myriad of useful products. Rubber manufacturing, while seemingly complex, is an intriguing process. Let's recap. The journey begins with the collection of latex from rubber trees. This latex then undergoes a fascinating transformation in factories, where it's converted into solid rubber. This rubber is then used to create countless items that are integral to our daily lives. From the tires on your car to the eraser on your pencil, rubber is everywhere. Next time you see a rubber product, remember the fascinating journey it took from tree to your hands.